Breeze now offers the only individual short-term disability insurance plan with 100% online experience and benefits for family leave. And with Breeze, this product can be quoted in seconds and applied for in minutes entirely online. We also handle case management for you. As a partner of Breeze, there's 2 ways you can help your clients quote and apply for individual short-term disability insurance. Number 1, you can just share your custom Breeze agent landing page with your client, who can then quote and apply for short-term disability on their own. That's it. As long as they use your Breeze agent landing page to start their quote, you will get attributed as the agent. You'll still be able to track and manage this case in the Breeze agent portal and jump in to assist your client if needed. The second way to help your client apply for short-term disability insurance through Breeze would be through the Breeze agent portal. Here, you can run a quote for the product on behalf of your client. You can then email this quote to them and they can go on to complete the short-term DI application themselves, or you can continue and complete the application for them. They'll just need to sign the application form at the end of the process, but that will only take a few moments. Submitting short-term disability insurance applications used to take several weeks at least, but by partnering with Breeze, that process can take just minutes, saving you a whole lot of time and work. Thanks for watching, and please reach out to your contact here at Breeze if you have any questions.